The Trump administration is turning hundreds of miles of U.S. federal land along the southern border into a U.S. military zone. The administration says they're doing this to address a national emergency of unlawful immigration and drug trafficking. But it's really about exploiting a legal loophole. Federal law bars the military from enforcing laws inside the United States, including immigration and drug trafficking laws. Only Congress can authorize exceptions. That means soldiers can't normally arrest or detain people. But that rule doesn't apply when people trespass on a military base. And that's because apprehending trespassers isn't about enforcing the law, it's about protecting the military base. Turning the border into a military installation allows the Trump administration to claim that soldiers who apprehend migrants are simply stopping trespassers. It's a legal fiction to get around the prohibition on military participation in law enforcement. But there are good reasons why soldiers shouldn't be enforcing immigration law. They're trained to fight and destroy an enemy, not for civilian law enforcement. Deploying them as border police creates unnecessary risk for everyone involved in border encounters, including migrants, U.S. citizens who unintentionally cross onto federal lands near the border, and even the soldiers themselves. And it pulls the armed forces away from their core mission of protecting the U.S. from foreign adversaries. Using the military for border enforcement may also make it easier for the administration to justify the use of the military for domestic law enforcement in the future. Congress decided that soldiers shouldn't act as border police, and only Congress, not the president, can reverse that decision. This is just one of many examples of Trump's misuse of emergency powers. Presidential overreaches continue to pile up, and we need Congress and the courts to reassert their roles as checks on executive authority.